Hacker Frogs After School is a cybersecurity program for learning beginner cybersecurity skills across a wide variety of subjects. This video is the Intro to Linux OS Operations. Like Windows and Mac OS, Linux is a computer operating system. However, unlike Windows and Mac OS, Linux is free and open source, which means its source code can be viewed by anybody. Linux is a modular OS, which means that software components can be very easily added, updated, or removed to fit the user's needs. This has led to the development of different distributions of Linux that cater to different groups of users. Specifically, cybersecurity-oriented distributions of Linux exist, which are ideal for cybersecurity student use. The following are some reasons why Linux is useful for learning cybersecurity. Linux is easily accessible to students, since it's free. Many cybersecurity tools/software are available to Linux users, most of which are free. Cybersecurity-oriented distributions of Linux are readily available. Hacker Frogs After School classes prefer to incorporate CTF games into classes for a more interactive experience. But what are CTFs? Cybersecurity Capture the Flag games are training exercises where the goal of the exercise is to capture the flag through use of cybersecurity skills. In this context, capture means to gain access to a file or other resource, and flag refers to a secret phrase or password. The CTF game we will be playing to learn basic Linux skills is called Bandit, which is hosted on the Over-the-Wire CTF network. The Over-the-Wire network hosts several different CTF games. The Bandit CTF game is made up of many levels of increasing difficulty. The initial levels cover the target Linux commands for our workshops. To connect to the Bandit CTF server, we will need to do the following two tasks. 1. Start a command line interface terminal on our computer. 2. Using the CLI, connect to the Bandit server using the SSH program. The command line interface is a text-only method of executing commands on a computer. All major operating systems allow users to interact with the system using a CLI terminal, even if the primary interface the OS uses is a graphic user interface. The SSH program is used to log in and interact with remote servers. SSH is installed by default on all major OSs. In the first Hacker Frogs After School Linux OS workshop, we'll start learning Linux commands with the Bandit CTF. Until next time, Hacker Frogs!